Welcome to How to Solve.
In today's video, I will teach you how to fix Instagram stories that are unavailable. So let's hop into our Instagram first. So you might have been watching your friend's stories, and then when you reopened it, it became unavailable. So there are reasons why Instagram stories became unavailable. So the first reason is that creator might deleted the story. So when you try to open this and then you got back up and then you tried to see the same story again and it became unavailable, then maybe, just maybe the creator deleted the story. The next reason is that Instagram itself is down and simply it cannot connect to the server. So to check that, you have to search something in your web browser. Now search, is Instagram down? Now let's click this down detector. Scroll down, and if you can see a big spike on outages report, then the problem itself is in Instagram, and Instagram is down and it cannot connect to the server. And if this is the case, you just simply have to wait until Instagram is back and running. So that's just it. Now if you could still run into some issues, like the easiest thing you could do is to close and reopen your Instagram app. And those are the reasons why Instagram stories could be unavailable.
Please like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.